Brother, I pick it up already.
Thank you. Just open the doors and cross check.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Be sure you've already turned on flight mode, pulling the strap. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on the toggles to inflate, and for further inflation, blow into the mouthpieces. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The crew will hand out "We're ready to leave." Fasten your seatbelt low and tight around your hips. To fasten, push both ends together until they click, and adjust by pulling the strap until tight. To release, simply lift the buckle. You'll need to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. And as always, it's best to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated.
Devices, just make sure you've turned on flight mode. Laptops and tablets with keyboards that you put away until after the seatbelt sign is off. Remember that the most effective control to prevent the spread of germs is by practicing good hygiene. Wearing a face mask can also provide additional protection. If you do become unwell, just let one of the crew know. I'd like to introduce.
엉클어진 밤 침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보면 또 하루를 보내. 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까. But I feel so lazy. Yeah, I'm home alone all day and I got no more songs left to play. Baby, 난 널 그리네. 다시 돌아와줘 내게 and let me be your man. Oh. 그날 밤 생각 없이 난 너에게 전화했어. 묻고 싶은 게 많아. I got so many questions. 오랜만이야 라는 말도 못한 채 Are you fine fine 이란 말만 대묻네. 너가 잘 지내고 있는 거 나 알아. 그냥 그 목소리가 듣고 싶은 거를 어떡해. I say I miss you but 그건 나의 실수. 너와 다시 친구가 되고 싶은 백수. I know this sounds crazy but everything's been lately. How's your 동생 doing and your daddy? And mommy I'm not drunk or anything, I call in peace. 세상이 멸망하면 날 용서해주려니. 그리고 아냐 boy 어떤 놈이 그래. 친구들은 먼저 전화하면 지는 거래. 이건 이별 노래 아니 우리 미래를 결정하기 차 타고 떠나는 추억 여행. 그러지 밤 침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보며 또 하루를 보내. 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까 but I feel so lazy. Yeah I'm home alone all day and I got no more songs left to play. 넌 널 그리네 다시 돌아와줘 내게 and let me be your man. Oh